Today's topic is COUNTIF. Here you can see so many items and their types like tomato, apple, orange, mango and their types, vegetables, fruits. We need to count how many fruit type is there. For that case, we can use COUNTIF function. We can check. Let us see how to use that function. Just I am entering is equal to, then count if, then I am selecting the range, because here we need to check, how many fruit type is there. So this is the type range. So I am selecting B2 to B8. Then I enter the criteria because I need to check the fruits from this selection, from this range. So I am selecting the fruits. Then I can see the result is 4. So same like you can check, instead of fruits you can type vegetables. You can see how many vegetable type is there. Same counting, same method you can use for to find how many department is there, how many brand is there. So you can count based on your criteria. Thanks.